Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, because a quick disclaimer, we actually have two different options, two different ways to block a number. We can use directly our contact list, so we can block the numbers which are currently saved, or you can use the settings, let's say, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contacts. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now let's simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block number, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to block a number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is shown here that from now on this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now I can show you the second way, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see right here, we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we successfully blocked this number. And here in the second way, you do not have to have the number saved, because you can enter it manually. So you can add a phone number, tap on it, and as you can see, we'll have the keypad. You can easily enter it and tap on block, and as you can see, it has been immediately blocked. What's more, we've got the option unknown, and it simply means that after turning it on, just by tapping on the switcher here, you can block calls from all unidentified callers. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.